Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you the two simplest things to do if you're having problems with your Wi-Fi, if you find that it's not connecting or if the connection's gone particularly unstable. All you have to do is go down to the Wi-Fi symbol down at the bottom here. This is on Windows 11. Left click, and then we're just going to left click on this little Wi-Fi symbol here, and that's going to turn the Wi-Fi off. You can see now we're not connected. Now to turn it back on again, just left click here again. You'll see it will go to blue, it will say available. Give it about 30 seconds or so, or a minute to connect to your router. And there we go, we should be connected again. That may solve your problem. If that doesn't, we're actually going to go to the router itself. You may know it as a router if you're from other countries. And we're just going to turn it off and back on again. Let's do that now. And here we have the internet router. I'm physically going to just take out the power cable. I'm going to leave it, disconnect it for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. That way then it should drain down and it's forcing itself to turn on again. So I'm just going to fast forward through 30 seconds. Right, so 30 seconds is up now, so I'm just going to plug it back in. And I'm going to let that boot itself up again. That will take a good 5 minutes or so to boot up, so don't rush it. Just go make yourself a cup of tea or coffee, relax, and hopefully then you will find that your internet and the Wi-Fi will start working again. And there we go, you can see we're connected again. So I know it's obvious, but by turning stuff off and back on again, it does often fix the majority of problems. Thanks for watching.